Alright YouTube, this is your boy Da-viruz System, and we are back to do the chiri chiri chara chara. On our previous episode, we learned how to install Essential version 1.0, and on this episode, we are going to learn how to update to version 1.1. Stay tuned with Da-viruz System whilst we take through these steps on how to update from version 1.0 to 1.1. Now, what we need to do is this. First of all, I'll sign out of Ultimate POS, and then I will go to my modules folder. And what I'll do is that I'll delete Essentials off, which is the version 1.0 off. Then I'm going to extract version 1.1 into the modules folder. So I'll extract version 1.1 into the modules folder. So let's do the chiri chiri chara chara right here. Then I'll drag it and then leave it on it. So it's extracting. So it's done extracting version 1.1. So I'm going to log back in, and then we continue with what we are doing. Chiri chiri chara chara is logging in. Alright, so it's done logging in. So you haven't seen any changes, nothing has happened, but we have just updated from version 1.1. And there's another step that we need to carry out. This time around, what we need to do is this. We need to take off home, and then we type Essentials, just like if we're installing Essentials at first. And then after install, what we need to add is update. So then you hit on the enter key, and then you wait for some few seconds, and then your system is updated just like that. So let's give it some few seconds. And voila, our system is updated to Essential Module Update Successfully version 1.1. So you have just learned how to install and then update. So stay tuned with Da-viruz System on this channel. Stay tuned with Da-viruz System, and do visit my blog to get free scripts which are available online, so you can try them at your fingertips before you buy from the original vendors. I repeat, before you buy from the original vendors at Code Kanyo. So stay tuned and hit the subscribe button, and then don't forget to hit the notification bell so they can get notification from me anytime I upload a new video. Stay tuned with Da-viruz System.